Hello, wonderful scholars, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Cherie Hardy, and I hope you are well. Today, we will be learning about tropical rainforests. Well, before we get started, I would like for you to make sure you're in a very comfortable place and you're relaxed so we can learn about rainforests around the world. Tropical rainforests are found near the equator. Rainforests are well named. Rain falls almost every day. Tropical rainforests usually do not get hotter than 93 degrees Fahrenheit or cooler than 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Tropical rainforests have many kinds of dense vegetation, including trees, vines, shrubs, and bright, colorful flowers. About half of the world's species of plants and animals live in tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests, which worldwide make up one of Earth's largest biomes, major life zones, are dominated by broad leaved trees that form a dense upper canopy layer of foliage and contain a diverse array of vegetation and other life. Contrary to common thinking that all rainforests occur in places with high, constant rainfall. For example, in the so called dry rainforest in northern Australia, the climate is punctuated by a dry season, which reduces the annual precipitation. Tropical rainforests have three distinct layers of vegetation. Canopy, the top layer of giant trees that can grow up to 250 feet tall. These trees act as a buffer to protect the lower trees from heavy rain. Understory is a layer of young saplings and shrubs. This layer doesn't get much sunlight, so it is home to plants like epiphytes, ferns, mosses, fungi that grow on other plants. Tropical rainforests are home to angiosperms. The first angiosperms are thought to have been massive, woody plants appropriate for rainforest habitat. Most of the smaller, more delicate plants that are so widespread in the world today evolved later, ultimately from tropical rainforest ancestors. While it is possible that even earlier forms existed that await discovery, the oldest angiosperm, fossils, leaves, wood, fruit, and flowers derived from trees support the view that the earliest angiosperms were rainforest trees. Further evidence comes from the growth forms of the most primitive surviving angiosperms. All 13 of the most primitive angiosperm families consist of woody plants, most of which are large trees. Tropical rainforests today represent a treasure trove of biological heritage, and they also serve as sinks for more than 50% of the atmosphere's carbon dioxide absorbed by plants annually. They not only retain many primitive plant and animal species, but are also communities that exhibit unparalleled biodiversity and a great variety of ecological interactions. The tropical rainforest of Africa was the habitat in which the ancestors of humans evolved, and it is where the nearest surviving human relatives, chimpanzees and gorillas, still live. Tropical rainforests supplied a rich variety of food and other resources to indigenous people who, for the most part, exploited this bounty without degrading the vegetation or reducing its range to any significant degree. The world's tropical rainforests are in great danger. They are cut down to provide timber and firewood. The cleared land is used for homes, roads, farms, and factories. Some areas are cleared for the mining of oil and valuable materials. The habitats of thousands of species of animals and plants have already vanished. The way of life for many people who live in the rainforest is also threatened by these changes. Wonderful scholars, this concludes our presentation on tropical rainforests. I want to encourage you to get more information by doing a little research. Thank you, thank you, thank you for listening and watching and learning with Avant-garde Books. Have a wonderful day.